Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen appliance that has been making waves in the culinary world. The Elite Gourmet EAF1222SS air fryer oven with double French doors. This sleek and stylish air fryer oven is designed for versatility and convenience, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen. If you're looking to elevate your cooking game, stick around as we explore the ins and outs of this remarkable appliance, often hailed as the best Emerils French door 360. The Elite Gourmet air fryer oven is more than just a pretty face. With a generous 12-liter capacity, it's perfect for single-family meals or entertaining guests. Its stainless steel finish not only adds elegance but also durability. The standout feature of this air fryer oven is its dual French doors, which allow you to open one or both for easy access and save precious kitchen space. It's all about convenience here. What truly sets this appliance apart is its multifunctionality. This air fryer oven is designed to handle a wide variety of cooking tasks. It can bake, grill, roast, broil, rotisserie, toast, warm, air fry, and even dehydrate. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast, preparing a family dinner, or making snacks for movie night, this oven has you covered. Let's take a closer look at its cooking capabilities. With adjustable timer and temperature settings, you have complete control over your cooking process. The high-power convection fan envelops your food in temperatures ranging from 140 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can achieve perfectly crispy results every time, with up to 85% less oil than traditional frying methods. Imagine enjoying your favorite dishes without the guilt of excess fat. The Elite Gourmet EAF1222SS comes with a comprehensive instruction manual and a cooking guide, featuring 25 delicious recipes to help you get started. From juicy roasted chicken to crispy veggie chips, the possibilities are endless. You'll find yourself experimenting and discovering new flavors with every use. Speaking of healthy eating, this air fryer oven promotes guilt-free cooking. You can achieve that same crispy outer layer you love without the added calories. Simply add your food to the basket, and if desired, drizzle a tablespoon of oil before cooking. It's a game changer for anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle while still enjoying flavorful meals. Cleaning up after cooking can often feel like a chore, but with the Elite Gourmet air fryer oven, that's not the case. It includes a dishwasher-safe bake pan and air fry basket, making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Its compact design ensures that it fits well on any countertop, while its user-friendly interface allows for quick adjustments and easy operation. As a trusted brand in kitchen appliances for over 40 years, Elite Gourmet is known for delivering high-quality, affordable, and stylish products. Their US-based support team is responsive and ready to assist with any inquiries you might have, further enhancing your experience with their products. In conclusion, the Elite Gourmet EAF1222SS air fryer oven with double French doors is an excellent investment for anyone who loves to cook. Its multifunctionality, health-conscious cooking options, and user-friendly design make it the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your cooking journey, this air fryer oven will help you create delicious, healthy meals with ease. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique today. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more insightful product evaluations. Until next time, happy cooking!